Well, welcome back, guys. Long time no see. Last time I talked to you guys was a few days ago. For one, tearing a carpet out of my Durango. You seen the title, so prepped and ready, getting prepped and ready. So, well, my buddies asked me when I was gonna upload the next one, so here I am. Other than that, I'll upload there, but so kind of vacuumed everything out best as I could, but I'm still gonna go over it, cleaning, wiping everything down. Gotta make sure this whole flooring is nice and clean and prepped, because I'm gonna be buying the stuff to scuff the flooring. Then after I scuff it and clean it, then fucking tobacco. So after I get all the stuff that I need prepped, ready, cleaned, the whole 9 yards and shit, I'm gonna rhino line everything. Then while I'm getting all this shit ready, prepped and going, I'm gonna try to get just like the plugs, wires. I wonder how hard it is to get back there for that distributor cap. Don't know yet, but once I get to it, all this, I gotta buy a new valve cover gaskets and valve cover gaskets, manifold gaskets, because I'm putting headers on here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, is getting everything prepped, ready, cleaned, because once I get all the parts back, well, the parts that I need and shit like that, I don't have my case right now to put this up anywhere, so bear with me. So, thought about getting a spacer for a throttle body too, for a little extra oomph. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, is getting everything prepped, ready, cleaned, so I can start putting everything back together on the front end alone. Then I can start putting the wheels back on front, so I can bring the jack down. Then, well, the floor jacks. And after I do that, then I can work on the drive shaft, putting new U-joints and shit, everything on. Then after I do a drive shaft, one or both, I'll be gathering the funds to get the stuff for the rear, so the conversion kit for the rear end, so I can put everything on there like it's supposed to be. Then basically after I get I already have the rotors, I just gotta get the conversion kit, the 2 calibers, brake pads for a back, and that's it. So once that part's done, And after everything else is said and done, brakes are bled, I might take a gander, take the fuel pump out, and put a brand new one in. Because if I'm going to save this rig, I'm going to replace some things that might need it, like the water pump, alternator. Why change it if it's working just fine? Well, you gotta realize that if I'm gonna have this as my third daily driver, I want everything to be flawless almost. Where I can actually drive it and not have a damn worry about it. Because most of my shit has been more reliable than Caitlyn Jenner's asshole. So, but plus I gotta get everything cleaned up in an engine bay and whatnot, cause if I am gonna do any traveling, I might take this. Don't know yet, but I'll find out after I work the bugs out. So, and if everything's good for within the first year of driving this thing, no issues, no overheating or anything, then I will take this in on a body shop to get the rust taken care of. Buy myself a new set of fenders, taillights, headlights, the whole nine. Not I can't even fucking talk for shit. Basically, I'm gonna take this in just to get the rust removed, new rocker and corner panels with fenders, headlights, and taillights. But with the headlights and taillights, I can do that on my own. It's just I'm not too familiar with doing body work. Like with my black pickup, that's different because that was just a no washing machine. Don't ask me where I got ideas like that, so. But anyways, I'm jumping off here so I can go make myself something. I don't know yet, but y'all have a good day, alright? See you on the next video. Later.